So the conga line of storms coming out of the west. So this is yet another system. It would be the third for the work week that we're monitoring. This one ejecting out of the west coast, out of California by the time we get into Friday, Thursday into Friday, and pushing into the plains as we get into Saturday. We see that new surface low develop as it ejects out of the plains, out of the Rockies, and it starts that eastward trajectory. As it gets further towards the coast, we see the development of a coastal low. And remembering where you are, location is incredibly important as to who's seeing those above average temperatures and who's still right around freezing, if not colder. And that would influence then what sort of precip you're getting, rain or snow. But in the terms of a nor'easter, an area of low pressure, with northeast winds that impacts the Northeast every now and then. We've had one so far this winter. This is where we could see Sunday into Monday that low develop. But again, pinpointing exactly where that low forms and where it tracks is still uncertain.
It's still uncertain. And depending on which forecast model you like, you're either siding with a really snowy scenario for the 95 corridor or one that's just going to graze it. I mean, we're going to have more info, right, as we get a little closer to the event. But there has been fair consistency and also decent agreement, and we get a coastal low. So that's not really the question here. It's ultimately where it sets up. I mean, how many times have we talked about that?
Have we been here? Quite a few, actually.
Just this season alone.
And not all coastal lows are nor'easters. Okay, so this is the American model, the GFS. This is where it likes that area of low pressure come Sunday night. The European model, these are two physics-based numerical models, puts the low in a somewhat similar position, right? Perhaps just a little bit further to the southeast. But what about AI? So this is the European AI model. It nudges it further off to the north, a little closer to the coast. And we've got one more for you, the GFS, the American AI. It takes it further north, but off to the east. Okay. What happens when we put all that together? This is what we get.
You get a big old mess.
A big old mess.
We can't call them spaghetti plots, but certainly looks like a bunch of circular rings, right? I think you do consider everything, you know, with this perspective. We are sitting at Wednesday, this event's for Sunday. So we are more than 96 hours out from the event and possible impacts. So let's follow the trends. Let's continue to watch how things play out. The GFS yesterday was way snowier, still showing that snowy signal. The Delmarva could get in on some decent snows if we're just going off of the GFS run, but this is going to change but even just throughout the day today. So expect those changes, but it bears watching. You know, February is a month that nor'easters occur. We can get some big ones in February, actually.
And for a very populated part of the country, 1 to 2 inches. People take note. 2 inches is technically the definition of plowable snow. I'm not sure we'll see that, but the potential is there for somebody along the I-95 as we get into Sunday and Monday. So this is just a general look. This is likely going to change as we navigate the next couple of days, but it gives you a good heads up into what to plan for. If not, have to pivot around, maybe alter some of your plans as you navigate early next week.
Winter is wanting to optimize its time in America this year. No doubt about it.
The groundhog was.
Maybe right.
Maybe right.
Let's see. Take a look at this.